Hello everyone, in this video we are going to install LainChain. So the step will be very easy. I'll walk you through the process from A to Z in a very easy way, and as well as we are going to do it on our computer as well so that you can do it directly. And the first question is why LainChain is splitted. So according to the study, actually LainChain has, like in LainChain core, it has a lot of other integration, but if some integrations is not in LainChain core, then you can find it in LainChain community. And LainChain, this LainChain is basic. LangGraph is going to help you multi-acting agents with LLMs. So first we will be going to create a VENV, which is a virtual environment where all our libraries will be saved, and then we will import, and then we will import it in our code. And then we will install Jupyter Notebook, which is going to be our IDE, and on which we will be doing our coding stuff for the basics so that I can share it with you as well, the code. And LangChain, then we will install LangChain and then just run it. So I have a folder called LangChain. On specifically this folder, you have to open a terminal. The path should be this folder. So I'm going to services, and then on window there will be a specific way as well, so that you can, if I'm going to check the path of this folder, it's going to show me print working directory. It's going Saeed Anwar, desktop, and LangChain. Simple. So you have to make sure the path is exactly in the terminal. You can check it as well. And after that, what we need to do is to make a virtual environment, and the command for virtual environment is Python 3 minus VENV. So VENV I can give it as well. So VENV actually is virtual environment, and I can give another name as well, like myENV. myENV. Perfect. Done. Now the next step is to activate, because if I am going to the folder, there VENV is created, and now I have to activate it. So for the commands for activating is source myenv /bin/activate. After doing a little bit practice, definitely it will be very easy for you to do this stuff. It's very basic stuff. Myenv activate, done. Now I need to do is to install Jupyter Notebook within that virtual environment, so that pip install it's going to take a little bit time, not that much. Done. The next step is to install LangChain. So I have to do the basic. First I want to install the basic LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Another thing is pip install LangChain core for basic integration. Done. Now the next command is Jupyter Notebook. Then Jupyter Notebook will pop up. Now what we need to do is click on Python IB kernel. Now I can see, let's first test the Python. Done. It's perfectly fine. The next video you will see the usage. We will import libraries and then start using it in a prompt template, in our LLM, and our different stuff. So step by step you will get everything in this course. And if you don't understand anything and you have a question, I encourage you to comment. No problem, I'll reply you. There is not that much comments, but still I'll reply you. I'll try my best.